Welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. So today I'm gonna share with you one new video how to make calendar in Visual Studio Code using HTML and CSS. So now I open the Visual Code. So here I make one folder. I make one file. So this one will be calendar, CALENDER .html. Okay. After that I open this one, then shift 1. I got this one embedded, then click here. So here inside the title I write here my calendar, LENDER. Okay. After that Control S, then I write inside the body dot calendar, CALENDER calendar. Okay, then I click embedded here. Okay, inside the div here I write div div dot date, then I take 35 row here, then I click embedded here. So I got 35. So okay, if I go again, then write the second bracket, inside I put $sign, then I entered the embedded here. So I got 35 here. Control S. If I open this one, so I got like that. So now I go to the title, then the down I write style tech, then I got embedded here. I give the calendar. Okay, then I put second packet here. After that, first of all I give display will be killed here, this one. Okay, then I go to the website, then I check. So still there any change. So now I go to the guild template row, it will be repeated. I take 7, then it will be 1 FR. Okay, so now I go to the website, I got like that. So if I go to the date, if I give here DA date. Okay, then second bracket, inside I gave the background color. So background color will be anything, or I give the olive. Okay, then here tick, then I go to here. So need to separate one inside this number. So how do I separate this one? Must pin it put here the display here. I have to write display. It will be flex. Okay, Control S. If I go, then I didn't get any change here right now. So now I give the guild, then it will be gap. Okay, this one will be 2. Control S. If I go there, I got like that. Okay, no problem. I'll give 3 here. Control S. If I go to the website, I got like that. So now I give the height also. Height 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 I give here 400 pixel. Control S. If I go to the website, I got like that. So now I need to give the border radius also. Or border radius, it will be 10 pixel. Okay, Control S. If I go to the website, check here like that. Okay, then the number will be go to the middle point. So how to put the the number here? Before I put also the font size, because the number is very small. Font size here 3em. Okay, then I go to the website, I got like that. So now I have to put also the middle point, justify content, it will be the center. Then Control S. If I go to the website, I got like that. So I have to also align item, this one also center. Okay, I got like that. So here also I take some 1 2 3 this one will be 0 31. Okay, so here okay, so from here Control Shift down arrow. So here I write other month, okay. So 2 things I take from here, I put okay, this one came. If I go to the website, I got like that. So this one, the other one, so this color need to be another different color. So here I put here other month dot other month. Okay, after that I give the second bracket. Inside second bracket I'll give the background color here. So background color will be light. Okay, I give this one. Go to the website. So I give the here other month, then background, then I go to website. Okay, I go to the website here, so I got this color here. So now this one is done. So right now I need the day also here. So for day I add here some month some days here, deep dot day, then it will be the 7 star 7. Then I put here Sunday, Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then it will be Saturday here. Okay, so Control S. If I go to the website, I got like that. So now need to do like that same way. So now I go to style, then comma, here I write day, then Control S. If I go to the website, then I check. So this one like that similar one. Okay, so now I need to do also go to calculator. So here I write the guild. This one will be the row. If I put here the repeat, inside will be 5, then will be 1 effort. Okay, Control S. If I go to the website, I check here. Okay, so down is the, so now I need to do this one like that. So I go to the upper here, here I put 2em. Okay, Control S. So now I check the website, this one came. Suppose that if I give also here okay, dot day, then I give the font size here also. Okay, if I give the font size, this one will be one em. It's better. So now I go to the website, then I check. Very short. Okay, I give this one will be 2. Is it okay? Maybe. Now I check, this one is okay. So this one is done right now. So I add something here. I have to go inside the body. I write div here. Okay, div here, then I give the class, this one will be month. Okay, month month. Okay, inside I write, so right now this month is August, right? AUGUST, August 2000 2021. Okay, Control S. If I go to the website, check this one, I got very small here, so need to big side here. So now have to go there. So now here I give another month. Okay, inside month I give the font size. Font size will be this one, like that. Okay, if I go to the website, then check, I got like that. So need to space between the calendar here. So I have to go here, right, margin. I mean, or margin will be 40. Okay, 40 pixel. I give you 40 pixel here. Okay, Control S. Then I got like that. So thank you so much. I think you got the finally one calendar. So if you face any problem, so put your suitable comment in the comment section. I'll give the response very fast. So stay with Jubaer Learning Tech.